There is one product that is not only revolutionizing Hollywood, but also burn victims in doctors' offices, most especially renowned plastic surgeons, dermatologists, and makeup artists.
Oxygenetix is the first foundation which actually promotes healing. It's not just a cover-up, but it actually brings vital oxygen supply to the skin and allows healing to increase at an unprecedented rate that you don't normally see without the Oxygenetix.
Oxygenetix, the unique oxygenating lotion and foundation, has quickly become a must-have in the makeup kits for major TV networks and has been a key ingredient to post-op procedures of patients.
I'm going to be treating Casey's acne. After the treatment is over, I am going to be applying the Oxygenetix. It's a oxygenating foundation. It's breathable, it will stay put all day long, and it is going to completely cover Casey's redness.
From major reconstruction to dermabrasion, Oxygenetix is proven to be the go-to essential for post-procedures.
The Oxygenetix is great. We use that for immediately after CO2 resurfacing or any kind of laser resurfacing because it actually helps promote healing. And I find that patients in general swell less when we apply it.
Barry Knapp, inventor and formulator of past successes such as Lycogel and Dermacia, explains why his newest product, Oxygenetix, has taken the category to a whole new level and is his greatest achievement to date.
Why not have makeup and moisturizer that make you feel good? That when you apply, you feel soothed with an anti-inflammatory cooling product. Oxygenetix has a breathable base where you're getting coverage, protection, you're holding in fluids, you're keeping out bacteria, but you're also allowing ambient air to come to what really is a very large respiratory system, your skin. We've formulated Oxygenetix with aloe vera barbadensis leaf juice. In addition, it has all 9 elements of hyaluronic acid and ceravitae that's going to help pull oxygen to the skin cells.
Patients are confident. Once Oxygenetix is applied, their healing process is already in the works.
Well, this side feels like I'm not wearing anything, like I'm just nothing, and then this feels like I just got a procedure done. Like it stings, but this cooled it down a lot.
Barry just put the Oxygenetix on my left side and I feel so much better. Then this side is still feeling like really hot sunburn.
Yeah, I was worried about how I'd look after, but now I can go places.
Whether from laser treatment, plastic surgery, broken capillaries, injectables, burns, or acne, everyone is raving about Oxygenetix.
It makes every other makeup product, particularly foundation, completely obsolete. There's nothing else that you need.
Oxygenetix is also great to help cover up skin conditions.
From rosacea to vitiligo, various skin diseases, and like I say, up to the elective things that we do, that this never fails you, this Oxygenetix. It really stays true.
This makeup, because it is breathable, it doesn't matter if you have blush or bronzer on and you want to apply another layer of this makeup, it's just fine. Your face will not break out, your skin will be great and will feel very soothing and will just refresh you.
As soon as the makeup went on, it was perfect coverage and my face looked flawless, and I went about my day, and from that point forward I was hooked. And I wear it every day.
What other foundation and lotion on the market today doesn't come off on your clothing or on your sheets?
You can take a white cloth, white dress, and it's not going to go anywhere.
Oxygenetix is even safe to wear while you sleep. There's also a charitable side of Oxygenetix.
Oxygenetix supports World Burn Congress and the Phoenix Society. They work with people going through 3rd, 4th degree burn, going through the painful process of recovery. And Oxygenetix provides them with cosmetic counseling and with product.
Whether you're in front of the hot lights of Hollywood, recovering from burns, plastic surgery, or dermatology procedure, or for your everyday usage, the choice doctors, makeup artists, celebrities, and everyone else are turning to is Oxygenetix. For more information, log on to oxygenetix.com.
Well, Dr. Orton is backstage with some of the best skin experts in the business to help these women out.
Our colleague, Dr. Ava Shamban, board-certified dermatologist, and her patient, and you're using Oxygenetix.
Oxygenetix. So this is Sarah. Oxygenetix is the only makeup that has an active yeast complex in it that delivers oxygen to tissues in need. So it's kind of like getting an oxygen facial. Now, Sarah has sun damage, being a little bit more mature, as well as adult acne. And so what this product does is it not only covers up the issues, but it treats them at the same time. So it's kind of a two-in-one product.
It's sort of aerobic exercise for your skin, isn't it?
Exactly. And the other thing about it is if you get lazy and you fall asleep in your makeup, you're still getting that oxygen facial at night. Not that I recommend it, but it's the only breathable makeup on the market.
It's such a big plus because we want to cover things up while they're healing, but cover them with something that's helping the healing.
That's right. So she did have a laser treatment yesterday to address some of these issues. And so this makeup, it will also help to, as it covers up, it will help to speed up the recovery from her laser treatment.
How's that sound?
Great.
And Dr. Shambam, you brought some pictures to show Sarah what she can look forward to using the Oxygenetix product.
Yes, exactly. We're going to be able to treat her active acne, as you can see in her before picture, and make her look flawless, just with the use of the makeup that not only repairs, but covers up.
At my office, we do a large volume of laser procedures. One of the products that we have found very useful is Oxygenetix. It's a moisturizer and a cover-up makeup that allows your skin to continue to breathe while it's healing. The creams and the cover-ups from Oxygenetix allows our laser patients to truly walk out of our office with really no signs of having had treatment, but fully knowing that their skin is healing and being replenished.
With our laser treatment, such as Exilus, you have no downtime, it's non-invasive, and you can go about your life and look better when you leave the office. Some of the other laser treatments under Cyton umbrella, the resurfacing, micro laser pills, or profractional, will leave you with a little bit of red tone to your skin. With that, we offer an option of this product called Oxygenetix. It is a custom tinted makeup cover-up that is breathable and allows us to occlude the skin the way we need to properly for healing, and to mix it with that and give your skin a nice glow without all the redness, so that you can throw your sunglasses on, get on with your day. Oxygenetix is formulated to help not only cover up the redness, but it also helps to heal along with your treatment of the laser. We have different colors to match everyone's skin tone and really take down that bright red glow that you get after some of these treatments. The wonderful thing about Oxygenetix is that although some of our patients get started on it after a laser treatment, they fall in love with the product. It is a beautiful coverage. Oxygenetix is not just a tinted foundation. It is a breathable makeup that allows you to use it and treat your skin at the same time.
Hi, I'm Barry Knapp, founder and formulator of Oxygenetix Breathable Foundation. I'm here with Dr. Chetan Patel of MediClinic Santon in Johannesburg, South Africa. And Dr. Patel, what are you going to be doing today?
Well, Barry, thank you very much for the invite. And today we're basically going to be treating Jean, who's a beautiful middle-aged lady who needs fillers, hyaluronic acid fillers, into the superficial parts of her skin, of her cheeks, and some work done on the teardrops. So specifically, we're going to be using a well-known hyaluronic acid brand, and we're going to be treating the teardrops to essentially get us a better contour between the lower eyelid and the cheek. And we're then going to be using a much more superficial form of hyaluronic acid to treat a few of her cheek scars, which she has. This will create some sort of inflammation in the cheeks, and obviously this is where Oxygenetix will be great post-treatment to allow her to actually go back to pretty much normal activity immediately. So what we see here is Barry's actually applying the Oxygenetix foundation, first the moisturizer and then the foundation, to a typically injected half of the face, where one can see erythema, redness, and a few small areas of bruising, specifically where we've entered the skin. What this product allows you to do is that within essentially walking out of the office, you could go to an important meeting without anyone actually knowing the difference as to what you've had done. The treatment that I did today was fairly aggressive in that I was fairly superficial in the skin, injecting hyaluronic acid very close to the surface. This normally creates a lot of erythema, and a lot of patients are worried about going back to work or going for a dinner date that evening. With this Oxygenetix foundation, that has become a thing of the past.
Oxygenetix has really helped the aesthetic part of our practice. We've made it part of our protocol, so everybody that gets a cosmetic procedure, whether it be a chemical peel, a laser, a photofacial, they all get Oxygenetix on before they leave. Found that patients that are maybe more hesitant to do a procedure because of the downtime are much more likely to do that procedure knowing that they can use a product like this to give them great camouflage. And what's even better is this product actually helps heal the skin, so in fact their downtime is actually diminished. We often find that patients, even after they've had their treatments done, they come back to purchase Oxygenetix again because they actually just use it as an everyday makeup. And in fact, I do that too. Once you've used it, it's hard to go back to what you were using before. We use it for not only our cosmetic patients, for all of our patients as well. Even patients that have sensitive skin, like our eczema patients, tolerate it well, and our acne patients really love this product. It's a breathable makeup, so it really does promote skin healing. Oftentimes people don't even think I have any makeup on. Our staff absolutely loves it. All the girls wear it every day, and we get a lot of compliments on our skin.
Hi, this is Barry Knapp, founder of Oxygenetix Institute with Dr. Alistair Clark in Johannesburg, South Africa, of the Santon Aesthetic Institute. And Dr. Clark, what are we going to be doing today?
Well, we've been using Oxygenetix for really quite some time in the Institute. It's a fantastic product which we use in various settings. So what we're going to do to demonstrate it today is we're going to treat a case of melasma with a fractional non-ablative laser, 1540 nanometer. So there isn't enormous downtime after this procedure, but there is significant redness and inflammation. So we'll treat the face with this laser apparatus and then follow that up with an Oxygenetix.
Another aspect of Oxygenetix Breathable Foundation is the SPF 25. And after a procedure like a laser resurfacing, the SPF 25 is very important, especially in an environment like South Africa where there is a very strong sun. You do not want an irritated skin to be exposed without a sunscreen. And so the SPF 25 is a titanium dioxide. So it's a physical blocker, it's good for you, it's soothing, it's cooling. Also, Oxygenetix is going to stay put. Once we've applied here today, Karen is not going to have to worry about Oxygenetix either sliding off of her face or sweating off of her face. Oxygenetix is also transfer resistant, meaning it will not come off on Karen's collar or if she gives somebody a hug today on the other person's clothing. So everything has been thought through with Oxygenetix Breathable Foundation to enable the patient to move forward with the procedure and to promote the healing process and to shorten the downtime process.